In this video, we'll show you how to turn off your active status on WhatsApp. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. When your active status is on, people can see if you're currently online or when you were last online. For example, they may see last seen today at time. If you prefer more privacy, you can hide this information. To start, go back to your main chat screen, then tap on Settings in the bottom right corner. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Under Privacy, find the last seen and online settings. Right now, it may be set to everyone, but you can change that. To stop anyone from seeing your last seen and online status, select Nobody. You can also choose who can see when you're online. I recommend setting it to same as last seen to keep everything consistent. This means nobody will be able to see when you're online or your last seen status. Just a heads up, if you disable your last seen and online status, you won't be able to see others' statuses either. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.